Hello and thank you for clicking on this video. And today I'm going to be doing a giveaway for a rare spiked long that is a wristband, and it's red and it's nice, which is one of my rarest wrists, I believe, since my English is off today. Rare spiked wristband that is red and it's long and it's cool. So yep, I'm gonna be giving this away because I don't know, I'm just super nice. But you know, I want to give something else away since I'm super nice. So I'm also gonna be giving away. Let me see. What other spike should I give away? The pink one, yes. I'm giving these two away. And yeah. So I'm gonna tell you guys how to enter it for these two. So first, this is how you do it. Yep. Nope. I don't want to go there. So yep. So on this video, not this video, but the video that you're watching. Not this video though. The video that you're watching right now. Not that video. This is the A video, and the one you're watching is the B video. You're gonna comment on the B video. So I'm just gonna delete this comment because I'm gonna demonstrate. Yeah. Okay, don't actually do that though. So first, you're gonna click subscribe, and then you're gonna click on the bell button where it has like a ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ding, you know, or little lines, you know. And then you're just gonna say enter. Wait, enter me. You can say enter me, yeah, or enter me, or just enter, you know, as long as you say enter in the word, you know. So yeah, then that's how you do it. And then like, yeah, I'll enter you in, and then I'll just put all the names that say enter, or at least enter me, just as long as the word has enter. As long as the people say that, I'll put them, and I see that they subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna put them. Oh, I'm gonna write it down on paper, put it in like a bin or something. So yeah. Once again, I'm gonna be giving up these two. Well, I'm cool because I just like my orange one. Well, I like all of them, but I need the matchings. So yeah, sign up to win these. If you're a member, I'll just gift it to you. If you're a non-member, we're gonna have to like find a time where you can play, and I can just trade it to you. So yeah. Yep, that's it. Please go enter, because who doesn't want a free spike? So yeah, if you guys like these kind of videos, I'll definitely make sure to do more. But yeah, enter, turn notifications on, and in a sentence just say enter, or enter me, or enter me. You know, just it has to say enter. I gotta be clear on that because I don't know, some kids don't know how to listen. It's probably not you, but it's gonna be one. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.